Hello, in this video I want to show you how to upload your own image as a coat of arms in Manor Lords. To do this, first we'll need to open our app data, then navigate to the local right here. You can see the line right here, just change your name in the users. Then we'll need to find Manor Lords, saved, and then let me check that quickly because I actually forgot. Save games. And then we need to paste our image right here and rename it to custom coat. Like this. And now if we go back to the game, we can load a custom texture and it should appear right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.